Hello, I'd like to explain something regarding the SIKA EC7 process multimeter. And process multimeter is an DMM, that means a digital multimeter, in combination with a multifunction process calibrator. So that means the EC7 can measure different signals and even generate different signals. The setup of the device is on the top we have a large display, different operating buttons, and a rotary switch to select the desired function. And today I like to show how to generate a ThermoCouple signal. So that means the ThermoCouple generating function is here. To activate the instrument, I rotate the rotary switch to the position, and then I see millivolt DC. Source means generating the signal, and currently the signal is switched off. And this is a millivolt DC signal, but I like to have a ThermoCouple signal. So that means this is mentioned in blue. So I have to switch over to the ThermoCouple functionality. And then you see the value in centigrade, a large display, and an auxiliary display. On the auxiliary display, you see the millivolt value, and of course the type of the thermocouple. It's type R. And in addition, we see the information regarding the cold junction. And here the cold junction is the internal automatic cold junction, which is implemented in the instrument. And if I switch on with this operating button the signal, then I see a reference temperature on this device. And regarding the thermocouple type R, now we see an overflow. And so that means with the selector switch, for example, I select 100, and then I get nearly the right reading. I see on this indicator the 97 degrees Celsius. Switch on, sorry, and select the function of thermocouple type R, switch on the cold junction, and then I see again 97 degrees Celsius with thermocouple type R. And also here we have thermocouple type R, and here we have 0.5 millivolt, and here we see 0.49 millivolt. So the values are in the specified range. I can increase the temperature. Well, with the cursor function, I can decrease the temperature, and then I have the reading. So that means the signal is coming out here on the voltage and the COM port. On these two ports, I get the information and the reading as a thermocouple type R. Now I can change over with the range button to different thermocouples. So I see type S, and as you recognized, it automatically switches off the signal of the thermocouple. And so type S, type K, type E, type J, type T, type N, type B, type R. I select thermocouple type K because this is well known. I switch on the generating of the signal, and here is still type R. So that means I have to change over also here to thermocouple type K, and we have thermocouple type K. And then we see a value of minus 1.3. I select the cursor position to that. I increase the value, and then I see 100 and here 98.6. So in the specified range, I increase, I decrease, increase to maximum value. And this is 1300 degrees Celsius with 51.39 millivolt. And I see here on the on this display 1298.3, and the cold junction temperature is 24.2 and 51.38 millivolt. So that means a difference of 0.01 millivolt. And yeah, the temperature in the large display, the temperature in the large display. Yeah, that's all what I can explain regarding generating thermocouple signals.